This launcher completely changed how I use my Android. I wanted to make my phone cleaner, easier to navigate, and more organized without filling the home screen with unnecessary icons. So in this video, I'm going to build a simple and organized Android setup using Smart Launcher. Let's get started. First, open Smart Launcher and go through the initial setup. Set Smart Launcher as your default launcher and finish the basic setup. Once we're on the home screen, the first thing I want to do is remove the unnecessary clutter. I don't want dozens of icons taking up the screen every time I unlock my phone. I'm only keeping the things I actually use regularly. Now, let's organize the rest of the apps. One of the things I really like about Smart Launcher is the way it organizes apps into categories. Instead of scrolling through a huge grid of icons, I can quickly go to the category I need, so my apps are easier to find, and I don't need multiple pages just to store everything. Now, let's make navigation even faster. I don't want to swipe through several pages just to find an app. My most used apps stay within easy reach, while the rest are organized into categories. And if I still can't find something, I can simply use search instead of digging through my entire app library. The goal is simple: less searching, fewer taps, and faster access to the apps I actually use. Next, I'm adding the widgets. For this setup, I'm using 4 KWGT widgets. I'm keeping the widgets focused on useful information rather than filling the screen with things I don't need. I've listed the exact names and numbers of all 4 widgets in the description, so you can easily find them and recreate this setup. Now I'll adjust the size and position of each widget, making sure everything has enough space and the layout feels balanced. The goal is to make the phone look clean while still giving me the information I actually need. Next, I'm making a few final adjustments to the home screen. I'm keeping the icons, spacing, and layout simple. I don't want to add things just because I can. Every element should have a purpose. And finally, it's time for the wallpaper. I'm using a wallpaper that fits the overall style of the setup. Set it as the home screen wallpaper and make sure it doesn't interfere with the widgets or the app layout. And we're done. This is the final setup. The apps are organized into categories. My most used apps are easy to reach. The 4 KWGT widgets give me the information I need, and the wallpaper brings the whole setup together. What I like most about this setup is that it's not just about looking good. It's actually designed to make the phone easier to use. Less clutter, less searching, and faster access to the things I use every day. Would you use Smart Launcher on your Android? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.